What, are you police or security?
Police.
Oh, yeah.
Not many security guards carry guns, do they? Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, then I am going to stop and search you, given the fact of the position that we find.
Justice isn't just about enforcing rules. It's about accountability and awareness. Welcome to UK Cop Watch, a channel dedicated to education through real encounters. Today's footage, courtesy of Audit Ed, reveals how power can be misused and how calm, informed citizens protect their rights. Let's dive in.
Not bad, you?
Yeah, right, not bad.
I think you probably know why we're looking to stop you, don't you?
What, are you police or security?
Police.
Oh, yeah.
Not many security guards carry guns, do they? You're perfectly at liberty to say no, because I expect you know the law quite well. Do you have any ID on you at all?
No, I don't, mate.
Would you like to account for your actions in the area?
Not really, no, just taking photographs, that's it.
Okay. Under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, then I am going to stop and search you, given the fact of the position that we find you in, the buildings you have been taking pictures of, and the fact you've admitted to taking photos of
Yeah,
those
but this
buildings.
is a public
You
road,
haven't
though.
offered me any reason why. It's Section 43 of the Terrorism Act.
As I just said, I'm taking photographs, mate.
Yeah. What buildings were you taking them off?
I'm not taking them or anything, really. I'm just taking whatever I feel like. I'm totally entitled to take photographs.
You are.
Yeah, so what are you saying
But
then?
also under Section 43 of the Terrorism Act, I'm entitled to stop and search and stop and speak to anybody that I believe may be undertaking reconnaissance, hostile reconnaissance, or anything related to terrorism. And
so
also
when
hang on, sorry,
okay,
because
go on.
I haven't been impolite and interrupted you.
No, but I just don't like the idea of being searched for no reason when all I'm doing is walking around.
Here, the auditor calmly refuses to comply with a stop and search, highlighting the lack of legal grounds. By staying polite and factual, he exposes the officer's reliance on broad terrorism powers without evidence. This clip teaches the importance of knowing your rights under public scrutiny.
Willing to listen to it. That is somewhat arbitrary.
Yeah, but I've just told you why I'm in the area.
Okay.
I'm a photographer.
But if that's the case,
I've got a YouTube channel. I take YouTube
but if
videos.
that's the case, then you're perfectly at liberty to give me a name and details, aren't you?
No, why should I?
Okay.
It's a free country.
I know it is.
We're not living in China, are we? Where you've got no rights to do anything. This is the UK, isn't it? Where you've got rights to do what you want. So,
which is also.
and I'm entitled to walk around with my camera and take videos for YouTube and stuff like that.
Well, the reports of people are telling me.
Yeah.
There he is.
Yeah. Just good.
TE06
Yeah,
QP.
QP.
He's got his on as well.
Thank you very much.
So, like I said, Section 43 of the Terrorism Act gives me the power to stop and search you and obtain any details from you that you're willing to give to me.
Well, I'm not really.
Okay, if that's the case, then I am also at liberty to look at the memory cards, SD cards, and anything on those cameras.
Don't be silly. No, you're not.
No, I am.
No, you're not.
I am.
A court of law is the only person who's allowed to look at that.
Tell you what, then. You put your camera down, get your phone out, and Google.
The balance of power shifts as the auditor remains composed, while the officer attempts to intimidate using terrorism language. A confidence and clarity under pressure force the officer to justify their actions, demonstrating how knowledge and calmness can neutralize authority missteps.
So I'm going to make a massive complaint. That's what I'm saying.
Is completely engage with you in a polite and courteous manner.
Yeah, but you're
At no point have I been rude.
Yeah, but
Are you able to show us some of your footage then of
good with him?
what you've taken?
I don't actually have to, do I? I'm totally entitled to walk around this country with a camera. You all know I am, and it's just you're trying to intimidate me by using terrorism acts and stuff like
We're
that.
not trying to intimidate.
No, it's a normal
That's
police
not our-
tactic. Throw big words
not
around
our-
and scare people
that's
with
not
big
our
words.
purpose.
I'm sorry, I'm just messing my phone. I'm not getting in.
We have to attend every incident. This has come on to us as a 999 call over a secure site. We have a duty to investigate that and to make sure that.
Well, for a
Nothing
logistics
untoward
firm, I'm not very happy about. I've got nothing on me, but I'm not happy about being searched just because it's infringement on my liberties. And
Tension rises as the officer tries to inspect digital devices, claiming access to memory cards. The auditor calmly cites the law, showing that roadside searches of personal data overstep legal boundaries. Viewers learn how composure and legal literacy prevent unlawful overreach.
Gone past into any secure areas.
No,
and
definitely
exactly
not, no.
what's happened with the drone, all right?
The terrorists would come around at night or just film it on their dash cam, wouldn't they? Or they would, or they'd go.
It would be.
Do you know what I mean? Though it's like
I
surely
think you cannot predict
like
the actions
terror
of a terrorist.
Yeah,
and
but
you
this is
think-
over. That would be covert surveillance. So surely a terrorist would use covert surveillance. They wouldn't stand out here in the broad daylight with a massive camera on a tripod, would they? They'd go and stand at the back and fly the drone. They wouldn't fly it on the middle of the road, would they? I stood there, like right in the middle of all the cameras. Hello, mate.
We shouldn't try and predict the acts of a terrorist incident, should we really?
No, I know, but like
you can see it's like got security, it's got bobber, which what would that indicate?
yeah, but I'm
to
not. But there's no rules being broken on, or laws being broken by flying my drone over that building.
you? We're not talking about laws at the moment. All I'm talking.
Aren't we? I thought we were. No.
As the interaction continues, the officer's arguments collapse under scrutiny. The auditor's patience and adherence to lawful behavior leave the officers with no justification to act. This demonstrates the power of respectful assertiveness, how calm persistence and knowledge turn intimidation into retreat.
I'm not actually, I'm not, nah, you see, this is that people often confuse the two. An auditor is someone who goes out and looks for problems on the sites, don't they, like site security and stuff like that. I'm actually just a YouTuber that just speeds footage up.
Okay, come back
It's just slightly different. I carry this because I get stopped a lot, you know. I do. I speak to them. It's been back to the Royal Mail site, and if they come out, at least I've got the security come and attack me. I'm like them guys.
What's your first name? Sorry.
I'm not a friend, you know, whatever, I suppose.
Look,
but
it's been a pleasure.
yeah, have a nice day, guys. Thank you very much. Cheers.
The video concludes not with a dramatic arrest, but with the slow unraveling of authority unsupported by law. So what do you think? Did the officer handle this fairly, or did the citizens stand strong for their rights? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for more real-world encounters here on UK Cop Watch. Stay aware, stay calm, stay informed.